I have a small closet. Got to do something about it. Too much stuff in it. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back. So as you know, I got a small closet, a lot of stuff in it. So I went on Menards.com, looked up some shelves. I found these 6 in a set. It should work. You know what guys, this video isn't so much about the shelves or the installation of the shelves. By the way, follow the instructions to the T. Don't skip a step or you might mess up. Man, this is a big mess here. Can't believe it. Do you remember when I painted this room? And I talked about some of the things you need to watch out for when you're looking for a home, or things to look out for in your first home. This is it. The thing is, you get excited when you're about to purchase a home, especially when it's your first one. And sometimes you might overlook stuff, and that's the problem. And years later, you realize, you could have done better, but you should still be grateful. And what am I doing here? I'm just measuring the lines, crossing the T's, dotting the I's, so to speak. This thing is real easy to do, trust me. Problem is, you're going to get more stuff and turn your house into a big storage unit. You're going to buy things. Your kids are going to need things. Your wife, your husband. And one day you're going to look up and you realize you're drowning in a bunch of stuff you bought for yourself. It's going to happen. It will happen. So what do? Do you go to a storage facility and rent out storage space? How many totes are you going to buy? I think shelving might be a good solution. So here I am measuring. For a project like this, doesn't hurt to bring out a level. Do yourself a favor. You don't want crooked lines and crooked shelves, do you? So go the extra mile. It's for your own good. When you get to this point, you're almost there. It's just a matter of putting the pins in the holes, just like the instructions read. Even though this isn't the biggest job in the world, you know how to bring out the rigid. I don't care how small the project is. I love my drill. These pins are very important because what they do is hook the shelf into place so it doesn't pop up when you're finishing this job. Remember that. Time to take a hammer and make sure they're secured in the wall. Don't want to do it too hard. You might make a big hole. When you finish, I hope your shelving looks something like this, if you did it right. I was thinking about doing something like a stack effect, but I opted against it. There's not a lot of room in here. It would have worked, but I think this is best moving forward. So I'm going to keep going. And you know what? I need to show you exactly what I did. I think over here, I'm going to put more shelves. I'm going to figure it out. Might even put some hooks up. We'll see. But I'm just trying to make use of the space as best as I can. So let me start the other one. And again, once you measure the lines, the distance from one hole to the other, you're going to use a 3/16 drill bit to drill your holes. Management hung my coat up. This is something that I wouldn't do. But it's not that bad. I just have a different idea. But as you can see, the shelves just really opened up this closet. It's very little, but the shelving really works and it'll help you open up the space. This is what you want to see. Got a little more to go. So I went on Amazon and bought these hooks, 2 of them, white, matches the paint. It's going to be real easy to put them in. I went with the smaller anchors. I really don't like those white ones. I like the plastic looking ones. Well, they're all plastic, but I didn't go with the pure white looking ones. I just went with the gray looking ones. It's a better choice if you ask me. Trust me on that. Here we go. And again, we didn't hit a home run. There's some things that we can improve on when it comes to the house. But this is a step in the right direction. So I got the hooks up. Got the shelves up. It works. I didn't do the stack effect, so don't worry about that. And here's the finished product. It works. Turned out great. 6-set shelving kit from Menards. Works wonders. This closet looked like a tornado hit it. Now looks a whole lot better. The stuff I don't normally use, I put all the way at the top. The stuff I need the most, I'll have closer access to. You can also get like a tie hook too, or a belt hook. That'll work. But yeah, like the results. Turned out nice. You guys, take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.